Welcome to my channel, A Ray of Success. First of all, thanks to everyone who support my channel. Today we going to solving some problems related to energy and power signal. First question, determine energy and power of the signal x of t is equal to e raised to minus 3t u of t for all t. Here we need to find out the energy and power of the signal x of t equal to e raised to minus 3t u of t. For that, first we should write the given signal x of t is equal to e raised to minus 3t u of t. First we going to find out the energy of this signal. What is the equation of an energy of a signal? E is equal to limit t tends to infinity integral of minus t to t modulus of x of t square dt. Okay, first we going to find out this part only, that is integral of minus t to t modulus of x of t square dt. It should be equal to integral of minus t to t, apply the signal e raised to minus 3t u of t modulus square dt. Okay, here we have a unit step signal. It have values only ranges from 0 to infinity, so we can change the limit, that is 0 to t modulus of e raised to minus 3t square dt. Okay, then multiply this minus 3 into 2. We can write as integral of 0 to t e raised to minus 6t dt. Take the integral value, it should be equal to integral of e raised to minus 6t can be written as e raised to minus 6t by minus 6. Apply the limit 0 to t. Okay, it should be equal to, apply the limit, upper limit e raised to minus 6t by minus 6 minus e raised to 0. E raised to 0 become 1, so 1 by minus 6. It can be written as 1 by 6 into 1 minus e raised to minus 6t. Okay, then in our energy equation we have a limit t tends to infinity, so we can apply here. So E is equal to limit t tends to infinity. Here we got 1 by 6 into 1 minus e raised to minus 6t. T tends to infinity, so e raised to minus infinity become 0. So you will get E should be equal to 1 by 6. Next we need to find out the power of the signal. So equation of the power P equal to limit t tends to infinity 1 by 2t integral of minus t to t modulus of x of t the whole square dt. Okay, here limit t tends to infinity 1 by 2t minus t to t, apply the given signal e raised to minus 3t u of t square dt. Here also 2t. Here you can see 1 by 2t term. If we apply this t tends to infinity, you will get that is 1 by 2 infinity. It should be equal to 0. So power of this given signal become 0. So here we get E is equal to 1 by 6 and P is equal to 0. So from this value we can say this is an energy signal, because here E become finite and power becomes 0. So x of t is an energy signal. Okay. Next question. Determine the power and energy of the signal x of t equal to e raised to j into t plus pi by 4. Here also we need to find out the power and energy of the given signal. So first you should write the given signal. X of t is equal to e raised to j into t plus pi by 4. So the equation of the energy become E is equal to limit t tends to infinity integral of minus t to t modulus of x of t whole square dt equal to limit t tends to infinity integral of minus t to t. We can apply the given signal e raised to j into t plus pi by 4 modulus square dt. We know the mathematical relation, that is e raised to j theta modulus square should be equal to 1. So here we get e is equal to limit t tends to infinity integral minus t to t. This value become 1 because e raised to j term. So you will get dt. Then take the integral limit t tends to infinity integral of 1 become t, then limit minus t to t, then apply the upper and lower limit. So you will get limit t tends to infinity capital T minus t become plus t. So you will get limit t tends to infinity then 2t. If you apply t tends to infinity, it become infinite. So here we get E is equal to infinity. Then we need to find out the power of this signal. P is equal to limit t tends to infinity 1 by 2t integral of minus infinity to infinity modulus of x of t the whole square dt. Also we can apply the signal limit t tends to infinity 1 by 2t integral of equation minus t to t. Okay, limit t tends to infinity 2t minus t to t e raised to j into t plus pi by 4 square dt. Okay, it become 1. So you will get limit t tends to infinity 1 by 2t integral of minus t to t, this value become 1. So you will get dt. Then take the integral limit t tends to infinity 1 by 2t. If you solving this one, here we got 2t. So 2t cancel. So you will get power become 1. So here we get E is equal to infinity and P is equal to 1. That means E become infinity and power become a finite value. So we can call this signal is a power signal. Thank you.